Okay, hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about some of the basic terminologies, what exactly this channel is all about. So this channel provides the information about the CAD CAM CNC, industrial engineering manufacturing system optimization, and the fourth one is what exactly we can call is the production automation. Alright, so in this lecture let's talk about the CAD CAM and CNC. Alright, because these terms are exactly really close to each other, that's why I just want to put these terminologies in one video. So let's try out to explain all of these. The first term we can call that is CAD. What exactly CAD is? In traditional method, if you look in the past, people are having some of the traditional tools to be used for the drawing some of the 3D models. Alright, or as I can give an example of the isometric views. Alright, or even if you just want to make a 3D model. So before that, people were using the traditional methods to make such models, but right now we have the computer. With the help of that, we can exactly making the exact stuff. So what exactly CAD stand for? The computer aided design. Alright, which is this term. And if you look at for the some of the CAD softwares, you can search like we can have the AutoCAD, alright, which is one of the most common and very famous software throughout the world. Alright, the next one is just if you look, that is the SolidWorks. We have the, it doesn't mean like we can only and only just stick around the CAD design with the help of these softwares. Either you can just play around with these software to use for the rest of the things as well, but these are basically people are using for the CAD modeling and designs. We have the Creo, and we have the Fusion 360. This is one of the other CAD softwares, and we have lots of more. Like if suppose I want to call you the PowerShape, we have the NX, and we have lots of more. Alright, so next, if suppose we want to talk about the CAM section. Alright, so whenever we talk about the CAM section, exactly, we are actually creating the G-codes. Okay, suppose with the help of the CAD, we just make a model, and then we just want to put that model into the CAM section. We just create the CNC program. So the CAM stands for the computer aided manufacturing. Computer aided manufacturing, right? So supposedly we have lots of the CAM softwares, like most people use the Master CAM. Some people use the SolidWorks itself. Some people are using the NX, which is very famous in India right now. And next, what I can say is the Fusion 360 itself. Alright, so this was the CAM section. Alright, because we just wanna, and later on when I just start the CNC programming with the help of NX software, you will understand what exactly we mean by the CAM environment and CAM standard tools, techniques, and each and everything. And the last thing is just exactly we want to understand is the CNC. Now suppose you have the 3D model and you have a program for that, but you don't have a CNC machine. How can you create that model? Because exactly There are lots of CNC machines, but what exactly this channel is all about is data manufacturing, right? You can use the CNC machines, which stands for the computer numeric controls, for the additive manufacturing as well, right? But especially this channel is all about the subtractive manufacturing, right? Because in subtractive manufacturing we are supposed to remove the material from the blank. Alright, so suppose we have the code, but exactly we will just load that code to a CNC machine. Now whenever we talk about the CNC machine, basically we have the three kinds of CNC machine based on the axis, and based on the microcontrollers we have lots. Let me just discuss later that how much we have. We have the 2.5 axis. Second, we have the 3 axis. We have the 4 axis, and we have the 5 axis. And we have another type that we call is the mill-turn, and this comes out to be up to, and this could be up to 11 axes as well, right? It's unlimited. And all these 4 and 5 axes, sometimes, not sometimes, but exactly we call them as the multi-axis. Right, so this was all about, and based on the microcontroller, if you look, suppose based on microcontroller, we have the Fenwick. 2, we have the Sinomatic. And number 3, we have the Hednan. But this is the most advanced CNC microcontroller, which nowadays people are preferring to use because it has lots of functions that don't exist in the rest of the microcontrollers. So this was all about today. See you in next tutorial. Sorry for the writing. I don't have the iPad. Thanks.